Fuck this, I'm trying to open it with one hand. Now this side, just rip it open. Can't be lost. There we go. Let's turn it on this other side. It's a quick review. Don't know what I'm going to say. So it's a 30-piece socket set with 3.5 to 19mm sockets. This is advanced lifetime guarantee. Let's open up. Very sturdy plastic box. Metal clips. Let's open this up. Handles rubber, made out of rubber. Come on, man. That's a bit push. No fucking idea. Oh, here we go, here we go, look at this. Wow. This is it. Very weighty, very solid. Feels like it's very quality made. Look at that. Halfords Advanced. I think you get 2 spanners, 1, 2, and these are the sockets. It's for quality and a lifetime guarantee. So if they break, take it back to Halfords, and you get replaced. And don't know what else to say. That's the extensions. So I presume you put it there. That's it. That's it. There you go. That's it. Just try and do it with one hand. There you go. So that extension goes in there, then you just put is it like that? I don't know, I'm gonna try and figure out. Shit. Oh, it's out. So that's it. That's my little review. I'm not a YouTuber, so don't ask me any questions. Actually, leave me questions in the comments below. Thanks, bye.